What does he do? Oh, pays. You know, okay, we're done. He gets in the van, he's like he's reading his book. I'm like, no, I got better things, I'm intellectual. Fuck man, I've been doing this job for fucking 4 years.
Yeah.
So it's a dead end. What do? I pull the van out and I back it in. Do you understand? I back it in into the driveway that we just did of the property.
Right.
Capiche so far?
Okay, sure.
The property next to us has this head. And
Okay.
all of a sudden I says to David, can you fucking look out the window and see where we're going? Because that's what the plumber's supposed to do. It's supposed
I know. I'm
and
sorry.
he's reading.
You weren't looking
So
out the
he goes,
window? Where were you looking?
He goes,
No.
he was looking at his
I
crotch,
was-
man.
No.
He
You
goes,
were looking at your crotch?
Yeah, it wasn't my crotch. I was reading it.
he was reading
What?
it.
I was reading
Stephen
it by
King,
Stephen
it.
King. It.
On your crotch.
Yeah. And
While you were
I'm
driving.
reading it.
No, while I was
And
driving.
she suddenly says,
While you were
And he
driving.
goes, it's okay, it's okay.
Where
it's
were
okay.
you?
go back.
I wasn't there. I wasn't there at all.
I keep backing up, and all of a sudden we hear this crunch. And he goes, stop.
So
He closes his book like this.
I dropped the
Oh,
book.
God.
My teeth. Off his shoulder.
Your teeth
Off his
closed.
shoulder.
Then,
The
and
back.
then he gets, shh, shh, shh. Let's see him on. He gets out. And I'm still sitting there going, fuck man, I'm in shit. I've lost my job. I've lost my license. I've lost it all.
Where's the house?
She's on welfare. She's living on Young
He
Street.
comes back and he's laughing.
This is not my beautiful
He's
wife.
trying not to laugh. He's trying not to laugh, and he says, "It's okay, I'll tie it up." And I said, "Yo, what?" So I get out to the back of the van, and he pulls this bush from under the van that's stuck there. He pulls it out.
Half of the hedge. The vine just took away half of the hedge.
That wasn't that bad. Wasn't that bad. He pulls it out, and you have to understand, this part of the hedge was attached by 1/4 millimeter. And he takes it and he pushes it back like it was so, just like it was growing. And he puts a string around it. He goes, "Let's go, baby. Let's go for coffee. I need one." So we go, and then he says, "Nobody will know. You'll never hear about it. No problem." And I said, "Oh yeah?" Because I remembered there was this big 2 tire tracks in the front lawn of the adjoining property. It wasn't even a property we did.
I know. But that's landscaping by Hazley. By
We
Paisley.
forgot Forest Hill.
Yeah, it's Paisley.
We forgot
Not
Forest
Paisley.
Hill.
It's Paisley.
Every time we went in Forest Hill,
Give us a
I'd be
cigarette,
turning the
John.
corner in the village,
Yes, I
and
do.
we'd go
Mine.
clink, clink, clink. And I go, holy fuck, and he'd go,
Don't
Scarlett,
like
never
that.
look back.
Don't look back.
Thanks,
I'll never look
John.
back. Let them fix it. You know, and the mirrors also.
It's an on-good candle.
Like you
When
go
I was
to the
looking
street in
for
the mirror,
Taylor's-
go like,
Thanks, candle.
I dig
John.
the white Corvette. I dig the
And he
white
was
Corvette when I was
I'd
working.
stop the van and go, fuck.
That's
I'm in
not.
trouble. I've had an accident. Go, fuck man, nobody was there. Go.
Don't look back.
Are you crazy?
Don't look back. There's a guy lying on
When I
all
was-
wrapped around one of
Okay,
the fire hydrants. Don't
when I
look
was
back.
working for Taylor's, I was driving a white van. I dinged a white Corvette right in the mirror with my van. And I got out, I took a look, no damage, got into my van, and
All right.
left. Yeah, you don't look
they're
back.
still looking for you.
First, I thought it would always be a fire hydrant. Then I knew it was going to be BMW or
What
Mercedes.
about a tree in the middle of the road?
But it always was just another van.
Uh,
But that string around John Valley was still there the whole time we went back.
No
We
tree.
went back there. It was still
I
there.
do a good job.
You know what? I never told you.
You
Remember,
taught me how. I learned
David.
from a German. Huh?
David, the last time you and I were there, we were there with Peter, remember?
Mm.
The lady from the hedge house. And the host that only had
Hmm.
was looking out her window when we were there. She saw me going over the front lawn. I looked her up. I felt terribly guilty.
Yeah, that is nice.
She was staring.
I hope you smiled and waved.
I did. I
That's what I would
waved.
do. I don't know what else
I
to do.
waved. She waved and walked away.
Once they know that you're looking at them.
Listen, we're gonna make a movie called Condom City.
With no children.
I want you to be the star
The children.
with no children. Exactly.
Yeah, but all the people are immortal, or you know, they have drugs that keep people alive.
Can't grow beyond 30.
Can't.
Logan's
no,
Run.
What
it's
happens
been
when you
done,
become
and
30?
Logan's Run has
You
been
had
done.
Logan's Run.
Logan's Run has been done. 20.
Yes,
No.
beyond.
No, you can't be on.
With John?
I want to
can
be
we
honest
ask-
with you, John.
Can we ask the original question again, please? For the history.
For the
Darling,
history?
how old are you?
I don't know. I
He
really
doesn't
don't
know.
What year
I'm
were you
43.
born?
I have never.
I'm 43.
I do.
You're over 30 and under 45.
I have never sort of like, you know, like some people go back and check. and
Okay,
stuff.
doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. How old do you think I am?
Keep them guessing.
Well, I
with
suppose-
all the way.
I suppose you're as timeless as I am.
Isn't
as what?
sus best?
Timeless.
Time?
Yes.
Of course, aren't we
Yes.
all?
Mwah.
How old do you think I am?
Yes. Occasionally.
I really can say.
Once in a while.
30?
Just for fun.
And how old is he?
Hi, John. How are you?
Just dandy.
How old am I?
Well, I'd say 14.
At least. At least.
At least 14.
Okay,
Maybe.
I go to the right a bit. There
Maybe
we go.
taller. Maybe
Oh,
taller.
maybe taller. What am I doing here? Okay, am
You
I?
are
am I
drinking
filming?
and stunting your growth.
You are filming.
You're filming. You're filming from radio to film. Yeah.
Act 1, scene 2. Face me.
Stage left.
That man can't take it anymore.
Oh yeah, you got a good grip.
How do you spell relief?
Oh.
That's the basic question.
R-O-L.
That's the basic question?
AIDS.
Calcium.
I took English.
Hi.
I know how to spell
Good day. Welcome and thank you.
This
for
is your
coming.
house?
Why before he
Yes, this
accepts
is
after
my
the seat.
house and my home.
It's my house and my home.
And welcome.
Bend into it.
Can you make his face
It's
turn
crooked.
green?
Okay.
Can you make his face turn
I
green?
did.
I don't know how you do this.
Yeah, you put your hand up in here. Go.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
I'm
like
walking
that.
in
That's
your
it.
Yeah, Woody.
And you look in there.
That's always a good sign. Who's walking?
And you push what?
And that's on now.
Are you sure?
Oh, I
Just
know
look
it is.
through it.
Just look
No,
into
you have
it.
to push through it.
It's blinking. Goody.
And then
Is that not right?
Hello, Michael.
You might be too close. I don't know.
now here's a Halloween prank.
So,
What would you
What?
want?
What?
Michael?
it seems that
Was that
what?
not was myself on acid? That was really
What?
The
good.
Twilight Zone. What is the most important thing that has ever happened in your life?
Was born.
Satisfaction guaranteed?
Burn your arm.
Great.
David. No, Mikey. Oral sex on a beer bottle. Okay.
Are we having fun yet?
Tell me, what do you think of landscaping?
I think you and I should form a company, seriously. We can get Canute to drive.
No hedges, just ditches.
totally Kreisschreiber. Kreis
ist every
Tag.
Canute, what would you like to do in a ditch?
In a ditch?
In a ditch. Isn't that what you said?
Oh, Canute will do it
In
anywhere.
a ditch? Or was it a lamp pole?
I do it anywhere.
In a ditch.
In a mud ditch?
In a mud ditch.
Everywhere.
Hey,
What would you do
Okay.
hands in hand?
huh?
You wanna watch that?
With frogs and everything?
I think you should.
Is it still taping?
Yes. Paisley. what would
Dear
you-
Brian.
What would you like to do in a ditch?
In a ditch? Who would I be with?
That wasn't
With-
part of the
with-
question.
With Acorn Landscaping?
Yes.
I want to rake fucking leaves.
We are
Wet leaves.
we are a cut above
The leaf.
The rest,
I cut
especially
above
on
the
Park
leaf.
Lane. Oh.
The top of the tree.
I want to be a part of it.
Acorn, acorn.
I want to be on the top of the heap of leaves.
And nobody can remember the word.
Not the stupid
Oh, I want to see that. Oh, I want to see that on the TV.
Did you burn your elbow
Yeah, she kind of ran into the counter there briefly.
Hey,
I think I did.
There's
but
the
there's no
color right there.
wax.
there? You
so
won't
it's
have to
okay.
shave it.
How
Oh,
impressive.
you're
I'll
so
save
cool.
on
You're so
foam cream
cool.
and razors.
How are we tonight?
You're so cool.
we're all right. How are you?
Really cool.
You're on close up. You know that.
Well, hey,
How did you do that?
I
Oh.
do that.
You know, I didn't have to.
Got any zips
Oh,
today?
do their face.
Focus.
I'm moose.
Show him. Show
I'm
him.
moose bells.
I'm
Sure.
Bells, yes.
Okay, I'll tell you how to do it.
Siblings
Put your
backwards.
hand in there again.
Okay.
It's a
Climbing
moose
cab
bells.
draws.
Climbing
Climbing
cab
cab
draws
draws
is
is
the
some-
group
Now these two fingers
Is yeah.
will
Wait, net
hit these two
clot.
buttons here.
Count or
T and W.
Yeah.
T means you're bringing it in.
say you.
I'm gonna practice.
It's on now.
I hate
The old plug, the old
Yeah.
plug was all fucked up. The wife sends him to the doctor.
You see the little light.
He says, well, we're not sure, but he either got AIDS or
Jonathan.
Alzheimer's disease.
Yes, dear.
And
Tell me your deepest, darkest secret.
Sorry?
For the camera.
What was that?
Okay, your turn. There it is. It's on 8.
Hello. We're here in the beaches, just having the time of our lives.
Motion is emotion.
Emotion is, and emotion is everything, isn't it? Without
Frozen
emotions, you
nabob.
get, yeah, frozen nabob.
decaffeinated
Frozen
emotions.
nabob.
Nabob?
Emotion freezes and you get frozen coffee. That's about it.
David, what are you doing?
Funny?
What are you doing right now?
Right now, I'm just about to have another beer. Right now, I'm just thinking my thirst, my cold.
What am I
said I
standing
should
up
have lots
for?
of fluids. You know what I'm saying?
Please sit down, Mike.
I wanted to be
Please.
tall for a while, so I stood up.
You wish.
Well,
nice
You
and
wish
so
you
like,
were
you
tall.
should
Wow.
be rich.
You can't be tall. Maybe I wanted to make a speech. Who knows?
Maybe.
What a lovely boy.
Maybe not.
That's me.
Oh God.
I'm a lucky guy. What can I say? I mean, you know, you answer 10 questions right on American television, and you a new car,
Green?
or you get Paisley.
Or you get a dryer and a washer.
And
Or-
you get to come back tomorrow.
And a new color TV.
We're in Italy.
Okay.
Tu madre es la gran.
¿Qué me dices? ¿Dónde aprendiste a hablar así, hombre?
¿Qué? ¿Qué?
¿Dónde aprendiste a hablar así?
No comprendo.
¿Dónde está el dinero?
¿Dónde está la cerveza?
Oh, you guys know more than I do.
That's slippery current.
What? I heard that.
That's your slippery cunt in Greek.
Munada, munada.
Munada.
Easy. Munara.
Write it down for me,
Munara,
please. Write it
munara.
down.
What we call them.
Munara, Munara.
Munada.
Oh, Munara, Munara.
That's the way they say it. Fuck you, slippery little dude.
Oh, you slippery cunt, you slippery cunt.